Lily is a little girl who is shy and reserved, but she enjoys playing soccer. Her friends and classmates ridicule Lily for her interest in soccer. Nonetheless, she is determined to pursue her passion and become a successful soccer player. Her classmates always laugh on her whenever she speaks about playing soccer. They said, "You are a girl and no girl plays sport. Why don't you have interest in doing girls' work?" Lily always says that sport is not a thing that only a boy can play. Girls have also interest in it and can play very nicely, said Lily. "You are a girl and you are saying like this, not imagined." Every day after returning from school, Lily quickly finishes her homework and practices soccer. Her mother understands the love Lily has for the sport and supports her in every way. When the inter-school competitions are announced at the school, Lily decides to participate. She takes part in the selection trials and her classmates mock her once again. But they are shocked when Lily performs well and the judges select her to represent the school. Lily's commitment and hard work mute every person who mocked her. The moral: don't listen the others if you know that you are on the right path.